Welcome back. Santa Cruz constituency is screened almost every hour. A close vigil has been kept on this sensitive constituency. Huge police force of Goa Police and Central Reserve Police have been deployed at Santa Cruz. Election Commission has declared this constituency as sensitive.
Checking and patrolling at Santa Cruz has been intensified from Wednesday. Police personnel and CRPF personnel are seen in groups keeping a close vigil. Every nook and corner has an armed cop. Religious places like mosques and churches are guarded by the personnel. Most of the police personnel are seen in Chimbel and Merce area. Election Commission has declared Santa Cruz as sensitive constituency.
Election duty election में डाला लगन checking चला.
कितने एरिया से तुम जो अंडर है
ये चिंबल एरिया.
चिंबल एरिया. ओके. तुमच्या अंडर आता स्टाफ कितलो असं चेकिंग आहे?
2 कॉन्स्टेबल एक हवालदार.
किती खातीर चेकिंग चाललंय?
इलेक्शन में ड्यूटी लाग.
किती चेक करता तुम्ही?
गाड़ी 4 व्हीलर फाटल्यान कितें आसा बी जाल्यार.
एग्जैक्टली क्या करते हैं आप यहाँ पे?
नहीं सर, पेट्रोलिंग करते हैं आप.
पूरा एरिया?
हाँ जी.
कितना एरिया है आपके अंदर आता है?
ये है आधा किलोमीटर 500 मीटर है.
700 आधा किलोमीटर.
हाँ.
ठीक है. आज तक अभी तक यहाँ पे आपको पेट्रोलिंग करते हुए कुछ चीज़ ऐसी?
नहीं कुछ नहीं मिला सर.
कुछ नहीं मिला.
ठीक ठाक शांति है सर.
Surprisingly, no police personnel were seen around Babush's election office and Mami's residence in Santa Cruz. Our reporter from Chimbel, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
And now news from sports. A 6-week break in the I-League will give teams, especially the ones in the title hunt, a crucial breather to reorganize their strategy. The action will resume on March 24th, and going by what we have seen till now, the competition will definitely be much more exciting. 4-time champions Dempo Sports Club are in pole position and the favourites. However, this time the title race is much more open, with Mohun Bagan, Salgaocar Sports Club and East Bengal capable of anything. Former champions Churchill brothers can also be never return off.
Dempo Sports Club, like most teams in the I-League, have played 20 matches. The 4-time champions have won 14, drawn 1 and lost 5 games. Dempo have been powered by Ranty Martins up front, with the team scoring 43 goals. The maximum for any team this season, while the Blues have conceded 16 goals. Dempo have 43 points in their kitty and sit at the top of the table on a comfortable 6-point lead. Dempo have reinforced in the winter transfer market with the signings of Denzel Theobald and Yusuke Kato. The new recruits add a lot of variety to the strong Dempo squad, and with Armando Colasso's tremendous winning experience being the most successful coach in India, the Panji-based club could lift the unprecedented 5th National League title this season. Defending champions Salgaocar Sports Club are on a superb run of 11 unbeaten games. After a slow start to the season, the defending champions got their act together after an embarrassing 3-1 home defeat to Pune FC in the 9th round. Salgaocar have since won 8 games and drawn 3. Karim Ben Charifa's boys have peaked at the right time and have risen to the 3rd place in the table, just a point behind 2nd placed Mohun Bagan. Salgaocar's defence is the most impressive part of their revival, as they have conceded just 15 goals, the least amongst all the teams. This break will, however, hamper Salgaocar's momentum, and the Green Brigade would be one team which would have wished that there was no such break in the league. Nevertheless, it will be a challenge for Ben Charifa and his boys to maintain the good form at the business end of the season. The scenario of a lip-smacking fight to the finish for the title between two traditional rivals, Salgaocar and Dempo, is very much a possibility. Churchill brothers by no means are out of the title contention. In fact, the Varka-based club still have a game in hand over Dempo, Mohun Bagan, Salgaocar and East Bengal. If they win with that, Churchill will jump from their current 6th position into 2nd place. However, what looks easy on paper is difficult in reality, as Churchill found out to their horror recently. Had they won all their games in hand in the last 2 weeks, Churchill would have gone into the break sitting at the top of the table. But shock defeat to Mumbai FC and a draw against bottom club Hull has frustrated the owners and fans alike. Churchill will be one team that will thank heavens for the break, as this will give the management and the players an opportunity to reassess the plan and strategy for the remaining 7 rounds of the I-League. All in all, the remainder of the I-League will also be more exciting for us here, with the matches most likely to be played under floodlights at Fatorda. Just can't wait for some great football under lights, isn't it? Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Months after retiring from international football, Mahesh Gauri is ready to take back his resignation, shall the All India Football Federation call him. Meanwhile, Climax Lawrence, who slammed the door on his career with a bitter taste, has made peace with the AIFF but has confirmed that he will not play for India again. Mahesh and Climax spoke to Prudent at Daboli Airport after arriving from a felicitation ceremony hosted by All India Football Federation in Delhi on Tuesday.
Mahesh spoke to Prudent last month with a heavy heart about his retirement. But on Wednesday, Mahesh did not mince words when he said he is ready to play for the national side again.
तो विचार जेन्ना आपयतलो तेन्ना करतलो पण परतून आपयल्यार वचपाक शकता.
Meanwhile, Climax Lawrence has made peace after he felt he was dropped inexplicably from the national side a few days back.
म्हाका फेलिसिटेशन केलें म्हाका बरें दिसलें आनी दुसरें दिसा तें एक दूख आसलें तें आतां सगळें काबार आतां आनी कांय ना फकत आतां हांव मुगे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन फकत क्लबाचें आसतलें जितलें हांव खेळटलो क्लबाक जेन्ना इतलो फीट आसतलो तितल्या क्लबाक हांव खेळटलो.
ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशनान तुमकां एक हेंवूय उतर घातलें आसतलें की तुमचें जें रेजिग्नेशन तुमी रिकन्सिडर करचें बीन म्हणून कितें सांगलां काय कितें?
रिकन्सिडर केल्या बसर हांव आनी इंडिया खेळचो ना कित्याक मुगे एक रिटायरमेंट दिला कित्याक लास्ट खेळटलो म्हणून जालें आनी काबार आनी खेळचो ना.
The humble Indian football icons were thankful to the AIFF for the send-off they received.
पयले सुवातेक हांव देव बरो कर म्हणटा तांकां आमकां तेमी नजरेन पळयले. पयलींच्या तेंपार प्लेयरांक नजरेन पळयनाशिल्ले आनी हांव खूब खुशाल की तेमी आमकां संस्कार केले. नाव आय एम रिटायरिंग आफ्टर 14 years. I feel proud.
After 10 years servicing for India, and it's a felicitation is a good thing, and AIFF done a very good thing for felicitators. The felicitation केलें बरें दिसलें आनी हांव चड खुशाल AIFFन आमकां आपोवन बरे भशेन felicitation केलें.
A reporter from Daboli, Surendra Madkaikar.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in. If you have missed our bulletin, you can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.